Hi everyone, back here for a very short video to have a look if the Logitech K480 keyboard can be a mechanical keyboard replacement, or maybe a good way to introduce yourself or your hands to a mechanical keyboard. I have here the Logitech K480 keyboard alongside my Blitzwolf mechanical keyboard. This is the Blitzwolf BW-KB1 keyboard, and I'm using here the Gateron red switches. And no, I have not done any modifications on this keyboard. I'm using this as it is right out of the box. The Logitech K480, on the other hand, is what they call a membrane keyboard. So this different type of key switch where this high keycap is all plastic and the end of it is the one touching the membrane makes typing on the Logitech K480 sound and feel like typing on a mechanical keyboard. Well, kind of, but then this is also what makes the K480 sound really like a plastic. Well, because it is plastic. Anyway, here are some typing sounds between the K480 and the Blitzwolf keyboard. So for me personally, I prefer the typing feel on the Blitzwolf mechanical keyboard. It's just more satisfying and the clicks sound better and typing feels better compared to the K480. But what do you guys think about the K480 keyboard? Let me know in the comments section down below if you're already using the K480. And that's it. Thanks for watching.